Oh no, that's. No, we're just not gonna talk about what I just did.
Hostile long gun neutralized.
How did I fucking get to what I got to last time? Can you suck a bag of dicks, Rude? Oh, please go to your room. I'm not gonna tell you again. And you're gonna have to wait a minute. I hate this map.
Syntax thrown!
Got him. I took my fucking kill.
I should snap you now!
Dude, I don't know, but I definitely made that man jump after I killed him. It was cute. OMF fucking G. This gun is it. Fuck, I don't have.
Assault back here!
Concussion grenade out.
Fuck. Green coming in with the 10 hearts. Appreciate the bits, Green. Some good vibes your way tonight. Appreciate that. Who the fuck is shooting me? I fucking hate this map.
Enemies destroyed your assault pack.
Of course.
Okay, you're prepping fire.
Why? Because you're a fucking cunt. That's to the right. I can't do a fucking thing. Joseph, go fucking lay down. To the left. To the left. This is where they were, but now they're not. Ah. There's one more. Where's the back? Got him. Ooh, fuck me.
Okay,
Flash
what's going
tail.
on?
Down hall.
Hold the line, Ethan. This is ours to lose.
How are you jumping that far?
Tackle, commence one-shot helo mission.